Hello, language enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to translate those expressive emojis into eloquent words? Welcome to Emoji English, where we decode emotions with words. Let's start with the face with tears of joy emoji. It's not just about happiness, it's about finding something hilariously funny. Next, the red heart emoji. It's a symbol of love, passion, and deep affection. There is the thinking face emoji. It embodies deep thought or confusion. And the smiling face with sunglasses emoji. It's all about coolness and confidence. Finally, the face screaming in fear emoji. It's not always about fear, sometimes it's about sheer surprise or shock. Let's see these emojis in action. When we watched that comedy show last night, it was so hilarious we were faced with tears of joy the whole time. Here's another one. I absolutely read heart reading books on rainy days. It's the perfect cozy activity. And this one. I saw the movie plot twist and was like thinking face for a solid minute. Didn't see that coming. Check this out. Just aced my final exam. Feeling smiling face with sunglasses right now. And finally, when I found out about the surprise party for me, my reaction was pure face screaming in fear. So, there you have it. Emojis might be small, but they pack a punch of emotion. By understanding their deeper meanings, we can communicate more effectively, even without words. Now, it's your turn. Drop a comment below with your favorite emoji, and try describing it with rich vocabulary. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this emoji journey and subscribe for more fun linguistic adventures. Until next time, keep expressing and stay emoji-tastic.